In the preparation of UPSC CSE, polity as subject, it plays an important role. चाहे वो prelims में हो या mains में हो. Prelims में last year around 16 to 17 questions they came from polity. And in mains around 125 or 130 marks they were from polity and constitution. So of course we know that polity plays an important role in your selection. So if you start preparing for this subject, you think of many sources. For example, if you think of Lakshmikant and you think how should I be proceeding with it now? अगर आप कोई एक चैप्टर पढ़ रहे हैं, you will see the chapter is too lengthy or it's not too lengthy. क्या आपको उसका नोट्स बनाने चाहिए और कितने रीडिंग के बाद उसके नोट्स बनाने चाहिए? फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप उसको एक बार पढ़ते हैं एंड यू मेक नोट्स, सो वो नोट्स कुछ ऐसे दिखेंगे. You will end up making another edition of Lakshmikant of your own. You'll write everything जो आपको लगेगा important है because उस टाइम पे आपको सिर्फ एक ही रीडिंग का अंदाजा है. But when with the guidance of the teachers, of your mentors, जब आप दोबारा 2 रीडिंग 3 रीडिंग उनकी गाइडेंस के साथ में बनाएंगे, you will end up making such kind of notes जो बहुत ही crisp होंगे, concised होंगे and आपको understanding ज़्यादा होगी. But how you should reach from this to this? For this, you need to attend the webinar, which will be taken up by Babu sir because he has cracked this exam not only once, not only twice, but thrice. So he knows how you should be proceeding ahead with the subject. He teaches polity, so he knows it better. So to get an understanding, and आपके अंदर जो stress रहेगा जब आप एक बार notes बना के बहुत ज़्यादा इतने सारे बल्कि notes अपने साथ लेके बैठेंगे, of course there will be stress. So to reduce that, to reduce your own hard work, क्योंकि वहां पर आपको बहुत मेहनत करना पड़ेगा, बहुत ज्यादा लिखना पड़ेगा and then answer writing की practice नहीं हो पाती है, syllabus cover नहीं हो पाता है, that also adds up to the stress that you'll be having. So to reduce that, you need to attend the webinar, which will be taken up by Babu sir tomorrow, 11th of January at 5 p.m. So get all the doubts cleared by sir. आप उनसे पूछिए that how you should be making the notes, when you should be start practicing the MCQs, आपको कितना reading करना है और कैसे questions को attempt करना है. So he will be taking all the doubts tomorrow in the webinar. Do attend the webinar. Thank you.